8/21 was yesterday, options expiration Friday. Today is 8/22/2020. S&P 500 impressive bull market rally to close at 33.97. And yes, once again, my friends, we are back into that overbought bull market. Yep. There was a point intraday on Friday that the S&P 500 hit 100, or the S&P 500 got back up to 99.8% overbought on the weekly again. And once again, this is how strong this S&P 500 bull market has been. And it's been very rare that we have seen the algos, the way that they bid things up and the mechanics of what exchanges do versus what the public does. So we look at it from a different set of eyes, and we look at it from the back end, and we look at it from the mathematical. We look at the fact that you can be alerted. We trade the S&P 500 call options and put options. Right now, the impressive bull market rally, we dropped down in those markets on the low of 33.54, and then they managed to run it right back up to 33.99.96, which was a high that the previous week's high was right here. That high there was 33.87.8. And that low that we had when we got overbought here, we dropped down to 33.26, and the bulls moved in very quickly, and we took it up toward the highs again. But once again, my friends, the bull has been. And I can say that we're going into the last calendar of the month. I am going to say that we're back in that phase again, and when we do hit them, we will drop and come back, fade, go lower, pull back in the S&P 500, just like we did over here when we said that we were overbought at those highs of 33.87. That was the big high, but then it dropped down to 33.26 from being overbought. We did it here too. On Friday they did it. They dropped it down to 33. You could see those lows there were 33.54. So you had the big run up at 33, almost at 3,400 level on the S&P. Here's what it looks like on the monthly, my friends. Now via live alert service, via live trading room, just like you would be here with me right now, and whatnot. This is what it looks like on a monthly level on the S&P. It's at 99.7 on the fast. That's that stochastic. And I can say that the monthly is at all-time highs, and we're that overbought phase again. And on the daily, we can see here where the dip was from a daily level on Friday. And we can see that the 10-day moving average has a great support level. It undercut it right here. When it got overbought up here and got slammed, like we said, it was on that 10-day. It fell below the 10-day. Now, one thing about the daily, believe it or not, is you still have a negative divergence in the MACD. Not only are you at the top of the overbought zone, but you also have, on the up day, you still have that there is a daily sell signal on this daily chart on the S&P 500, and there is. It's minus 1.2. It was minus 2.1 on Friday when we made the lows on Friday. Thursday, then here's Friday, and we got above that 10 daily moving average, but we still have a negative divergence through the whole process of making these all-time highs. The MACD has been declining, and it has. And that sell signal was a lot deeper than minus 1.2 on Friday. On Thursday, I mean, it was minus 1.9. And expiration Friday is the biggest part of the move of the overbought S&P on this daily, and it still has that daily sell signal there. So when you start looking at that type of stuff, along with the overbought zone, again, we're there. The last print on that is 99.42, and it got up to 99.89, 99.9 again on that stochastic. And like I said, it's done it a couple of times, and it just now did it again. And so cautionary and beware, do not get caught at the high of the bull market reversal that will come. The market is too overvalued. Stocks are at their highs. They're not cheap. There's nothing cheap about this market. Nothing is wholesale. But it doesn't matter. We're the market makers, and we understand that. We understand from your public view and your public eyes, the way you look at things or differently. But that's okay. We're here to change that thinking. And it would be good of you to take the free 5-day trial. But once again, we're overbought. Bull market has reached that top. And once again, we will have pullbacks. That's what it looks like on the daily snapshot of the S&P. Very impressive bull market run back up to the top, I can tell you.